Go. And that's how he starts his morning every morning. This kid. Look at him. You're a mess, Ty. You're a mess. Hi fams, good morning, good afternoon and good night. Yes honey, your girl is looking a bit cheeky today and different. That's because I am wearing my new stylish thermal glasses, okay? And if you guys haven't seen my review on these glasses, go ahead and check out my previous video, which was yesterday. And there's also a huge announcement in that video which you guys don't want to miss, okay? All right, how are you guys doing? Happy Friday. Baby's off to work. Tyler is taking a nap. Your girl is up. She's pumped. She's getting stuff done. She's bubbly as usual. She's staying positive as usual. She's her vibrant, beautiful, smiley self as usual. Hope you guys are doing awesome. No, I did not work out today, and no, I am not going to promise you guys that I'm going to work out today, but make sure you guys get your workouts in. Make sure you guys have an amazing day. It doesn't really matter what you're doing. Just keep the vibe right. Keep the energy right. And by doing that, your day will be awesome. Your missions will be accomplished. You'll feel successful. You feel like you can take over the world. Have a good day, and I'll catch you guys in a bit. Who is awake? Who is awake? Hey, you tweet boy. Hey, you fuzzy hair boy.
Dada.
Yeah, you're.
Dada.
Thank you. Up. You had a good nap? Baba, what are you celebrating? You had a good nap? Wow. You did that? You did that all by yourself? You did it? Good job. Bravo. Good job, baby. Go ahead. Put it. Good job. Bravo. Good job, mon amour. Hey guys, you guys know there's no Friday without going to the pool, right? So of course we are on our way to the pool. Take up your bucket. No, go and take up your bucket. Good job. Go. And it's a star boy on our way to the pool. Ooh, pool ready, honey. Wait for me. Go. Go, baby. Yes. Car, right. Car. Yes. Come this way. Come. 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 Look at you. You're swimming. Hey guys, so I have been back. Well, we have been back from the pool for a minute, and your girl is in the kitchen. As you can see behind me, there's pot bubbling. I don't know why this always happens, but whenever you go to the beach or the pool, aren't you extra hungry than you're usually? Is that at whatever point of the day? I'm just super hungry, super hungry right now. So I am making dinner. So for dinner today, I am making some braised chicken, which is bubbling right there, and I am steaming veggies. Oh, but I haven't put anything on for Tyler. But it's a good thing I show you guys what I'm cooking, because now I realize I haven't been cooking anything for Tyler. Lord help me. Where is my brain, honey? So veggies steaming, chicken's cooking, and now I need to figure out what I'm gonna make for Tyler. Hey, take the passy out your mouth. And Tyler made a little friend at the pool. I was like, okay, I see you, look at you. He was playing with this little boy, and they were sharing, and he was really comfortable with this little boy. So that was cool to see him playing. That was really cool to see him playing. Alright, you guys, I need to hurry up and finish cooking and eat, because baby's just about leaving work to come home, and of course we're going to make our supermarket run. It's Friday. Alright, you guys, so this is dinner outcome for tonight. My child is screaming non-stop. We're at the supermarket. Baby's somewhere in front of me. We just picked up a bunch of goodies. I got fries for Tyler. I want him to start having fries at home, and I also got some fish sticks, the typical what kiddies eat. Got him some ice cream and some frozen juice for the summer, because of course it's getting really hot. Tyler, stop. Got our usual supplies, and we're actually heading to the cashier right now. Got Tyler ice cream cone because he don't really love ice cream much. Oh yeah, that's the usual weekly supplies. This right here is bothering me. Who loves me?
I do love you.
Well, let's say when somebody loves you, that's when you get it.
So you should have a lot of them.
A lot of bumps?
Yeah.
Well,
a big one.
No, I don't want any bump on my face. You
don't want someone to love you?
Yes, but I don't want the bumps to represent the love. What are you doing, silly? Hey guys, you guys, we are watching Game of Thrones, and I honestly don't know how to feel about it. I'm having mixed feelings about this series, like serious mixed feelings. I hate Jeffrey, okay? And I'm in love with Khaleesi, and now it seems like her husband is gonna die. I'm just all over the place with mixed feelings. How you feel about it?
I'm okay. It's not sure what I expected at first, but I'm okay. You come into the movie, and yeah, it's not for me.
It's not my kind of series.
Yeah, it's not as good as the series we used to watch.
Right.
But maybe because it's just season 1 and you're not yet into it.
Yeah, but I'm still waiting to see what all the hype about it is about, because I don't see it. Maybe because it's just not my kind of series. It's not our kind of series, especially me. But I'm watching it, and we almost finished season 1. So let's. How much seasons are there so far?
Like 7, 8.
Really?
I think so.
Okay. Well.
Still going on. It's still in.
Yeah, because a new one just started. Well, I'll be watching. So let's see if I'll end it up get the hype of what everybody else is getting. Let me give you guys the Jamaican expression for today while this bump distract me. The Jamaican expression for today is dash with that. If I have this water in my hand and a Jamaican said to me, Mel, dash with that, the simple saying I'm to throw away the water. That's all they're simple saying.
Dash with that?
Dash with that. So
Dash
that is the item, is it. And dash way means to throw away. The next way you can use dash with that is if you're in a party or you're in a dance and you hear the selector is playing a song. The DJ we call selector is a DJ. So if the DJ is playing a song and somebody in the crowd say, DJ dash with that, the simple means you're to change the song that you're playing to a next song.
Okay.
Say it.
Dash with that.
Right. Dash with that. So there you have the Jamaican expression.
Can I say it, for example, you watch TV and I want you to change the channel? Can I say you dash with that? Or it doesn't work?
Yeah, you can, but we wouldn't really use it in that term. But you can.
Okay.
Flies bothering me. Who else hate flies?
Alright, so the French expression will be poser un lapin. Poser un lapin mean poser is like to put un lapin is a rabbit, so it's like to put a rabbit. To put a rabbit is when you, for example, you have a appointment.
Pepe the fly.
Yeah, somewhere you have an appointment. You have a, doesn't matter, it can be many with friends, and you don't go to this appointment, but you don't call, or you don't the person that you're supposed to meet don't know that you won't come, so the person waiting on you and then you don't show mean
which means it's like you stood somebody up.
Yeah, you put a rabbit to the person, so the person who don't go to the appointment, you put a rabbit to the other one.